so before we proceed with our afternoon, let us first have a prayer. So can you please, Alcantara, please lead our prayer.
Dear God, thank you for this day. Sorry for my sins. Thank you for the blessings, and may God as always save me.
Good afternoon, 9 Earth Moss.
Good afternoon, Sir Archie.
Alright, so before you take your seats, kindly arrange your chairs and think of any pieces of trash that might be around your area. Okay? Alright, so how are you today? Very good? A little bit humid, right? A little bit hot. So always hydrate. Do not forget to rehydrate. Alright, so anyway, before anything else, I would like to know if we have any absences for today's studying. None? Okay, very good. So everyone has the equal opportunity of learning another English lesson for today. So of course, before we proceed, I would like to remind you of our classroom rules so that we will have a smooth flow of our learning. And of course, today, I am relatively excited because we are going to leave this room because we are going to a carnival. Do you know what a carnival is? Or fair? Have you ever been on a carnival? Who among here have experienced going to carnivals or in Tagalog, feria? So what was your favorite part, Joey, about carnival? Color game. Okay, so who among you have played color game? Have experienced playing color game? Got it. Right? Anyone else? What is your favorite part? Naija, what is your favorite part about carnival? Bingo. How about rides? Ferris wheel. Do you like roller coasters? Alright, so those are the things. Very good, there we go. So those are the things that you can do on carnivals or fairs. We're gonna try to do that today. We're gonna try to do a series of games as well. For our first carnival game, of course, we could not proceed on a carnival if we do not have gate pass or ticket. So for our first carnival game, it will be ticket. So using your past knowledge about our last discussion, can someone please read our instruction? Sir Miguel.
Student read the scenario behind the video. Student will review the search information started.
Okay, so all you have to do is to read the situation and determine if the situation is either, or the source of information is either valid or invalid. Alright, so who wants to try? Mrs. Celia. Get the paper inside. Alright, Mrs. Celia, can you read the situation? Okay, so John based his answers from Credible website. So do you think that is a valid information or invalid? Valid. Okay, so we can consider an information if as valid if it came from credible or reliable source. Very good. Another one. Who wants to try to the? Alright, so can you please read our next situation? Face your classmates. Alright, so Abby shares gossip from her classmates. So do you think gossip are valid source of information? Invalid? Why? There is no evidence or there is no proof. So it is a gossip. So it is not considered as valid. Very good. So next one. Miguel. Alright, so can you please read our next situation? Alright, Nicole believes a witch doctor or albularyo instead of a real medical doctor. So do you think that is valid or invalid? Invalid? Why? Okay, so it did not come rather from professional. So if it is a professional, they underwent an intensive study. That is why they become a doctor. So it is invalid. That's fine. Glory. Alright, so Miss Glory, can you please read our next question?
When should we consider the source of information is public?
Alright, so when can we consider if a source of information is national?
It is not from
Okay, so when it comes from or when it came from credible source or reliable source, and of course, when it came from professional. Okay, so very good. So very good. So you were able to use your knowledge of the past lesson. So now we can go to the carnival. Okay, so for our first carnival game, it is going to be called problem. So let me go ahead and show you our problem. Alright, so can someone please read our instruction? Yes, Miss Jasmine. Okay, so all you have to do is to roll these dice and then get the sum of these two dice. For example, you got 2 and 4. It is equals to 6. Then you have to pop the balloon number 6. And then, of course, there is a twist. All you have to do is to answer the question inside the balloon. So who wants to try first? Zaida, let's go. Rolling style. Here in the middle. So everyone can see. 1 plus, there we go, 1 plus 3 is 4. Okay, pop the balloon number 4. Okay, get that question and answer that. Face your classes. Okay, read the question.
Should you comment on someone else's appearance?
Okay, should you comment on someone else's appearance? No? Why? Why do you think you should not comment on someone else's body? Because they might be what? You can answer that. Okay, they might be offended. Okay? So this problem is actually body what? Very good, body shaming. And of course, and body shaming is right or wrong?
Wrong.
Okay, so if it is wrong, therefore we should not do it. We should just close our mouth. Okay, so your solution to that problem is to just. So who wants to run next? Miss. Here, roll the dice. Okay. Alright, 6 plus 3. 9. Okay, pop the balloon number 9. Okay, so there we have it. Okay, read the question, please.
Do you think students should be taught sex education?
Okay, so do you think students should be taught sex education? Yes? Okay, there we have it. so that we can prevent teenage pregnancy. So teenage pregnancy could be a problem right nowadays. So your solution or the solution could be students should be taught sex. Very good. All right. So what's right next? You. All right. So go ahead. We have 3 plus 1. Okay. So pop the balloon number. Okay, pop the balloon number 3. Okay, so what is your
Balloon number 2. Do you think poor people can be successful? How?
okay? So do you think poor people will be successful one day? Yes. How? Okay, distracted. So, what type of distracted? What type of execution should a person do? Hard working. So if a person, if an individual, work hard, then maybe one day he could be successful. Okay, so there we have it. Our problem here is going to be poorness, and our solution is hard. Very good. So last one. Glory, go. Six plus 5, Glory.
11.
Okay, Bob, balloon number 11. 11. Okay, so very good.
Balloon number 11. Give tips on how to have a healthy body.
Okay, so give tips on how to have a healthy body. How do you achieve a healthy body? Exercise. What else? Exercise.
Eat vegetables.
No coaching. Okay, eat nutritious food. There we go. If the problem is, for example, malnutrition, you could exercise and eat nutritious food. Very good. So you were able to provide solutions to this problem. That is why it's called problem. So have you ever experienced some of these problems in your personal life? Or so what do you think you can do to make your situation better? If you think you are poor right now, what can you do to make your situation better? Go, Mari, go. Give us your thoughts.
Mag-aral po ako na mabuti at magtatanggap ako ng pag-aaral para makakuha ko ng trabaho.
Okay, very inspirational. So all you have to do as students right now is to study hard so that one day you will be successful. Okay, so what you did was to provide solutions to this problem. So if there is a problem, there should be a solution. These problems, actually we can categorize those two problems or those problems into 2 categories, which can be called moral and social. So do you have any idea of what moral issues are? What are your thoughts about moral issues? Jasmine, moral issues. Okay, so it could be people who abuse people as well, or someone else. So let me throw that up the definition of moral issue. Can someone please read?
Moral issues. These are situations that do not comply with the values of a community.
Alright, so moral issues, these are situations or conflicts that may affect the way you see right and wrong. So if it ever messes with your conscience, if it ever messes with your ethical and moral beliefs, therefore it is moral issue. For example, stealing. Do you think stealing is right or wrong? Okay, so if it messes with rightness or wrongness, it is considered as moral issue. So now let's talk about social issues. Can someone please read? Alright, so these are problems, these are situations or conflicts that may affect the way people live. So these are situations that could be found in our society and community. It could affect you, your family, your friends. For example, discrimination, poverty, or the incapacity of a family to be financially stable. Okay, so these are examples of solutions. So how can we solve them? So right now, I'm going to give you tips on how to provide a solution to your problem. First of all, someone please Ma'am Jane.
Research about the problem. That's the background. The problem.
Alright, so first, in order for us to deal with the problem, we have to know the problem. This is where we research about the background of the problem. We have to know the root of the problem that we are going to come across. Okay? Next one. Joyce.
Brainstorm for the solution for the problem. Think of ways to make the situation better.
Alright, so if we already know the problem, right now we have to plan. We have to brainstorm. We have to think of the perfect solution that we are going to execute to the problem so that it will walk out the door. Okay? And lastly, of course, if we know the problem and we know the perfect solution to the problem, of course, we have to act. Okay, can you please read? Alright, so if you already know the problem, the background, the root, and you already know the perfect solution, this is where you do it. This is where you act. This is where you concretely provide the solution. Okay, so we have know, we have act, and we have act. Alright, so with that being explained, let us have our next carnival game, which is called color game. Right, so let me just move it to the middle. Alright, so while I'm moving it, can someone please read our instruction? Alright, so slide them again.
A student will pull the string of the color game. The color that the student gets will be clicked on the computer. The student will answer the question.
Okay, so all you have to do is to pull the string on our color game, and whatever you get, whatever color you get, for example, you got the color blue. All you have to do is to click on this blue box. And then a question will pop up and you're prompted to answer that question. Okay, are you ready? Alright, so who wants to try? Okay, we have green. Alright, so click on the green box. Okay, so please answer the question. Okay, so what ways can you think of as a student? How can we ease overpopulation? Overpopulation is the exceeding number of people, right? Dami na. So what are the ways so we can prevent overpopulation? Very good. So in using contraceptives, we might prevent overpopulation. Okay? If people, people will not provide offspring if they use contraceptives. Alright, very good. Alright, so next one. Who wants to try? Miguel. Go Miguel. Okay, wait lang. Alright, you got red. Alright, so click on the red box. Okay, please read. Alright, so in your own way as a student, how can you help with global warming? So there we go. Be mindful of your trash. Do not put trash on anything. Be responsible trash. Be responsible. Okay, very good. What else? What ways can we do to ease global warming? Ladies and gentlemen. Okay, plant trees. We can plant trees so that we can ease the heat that we are feeling right now. Okay, very good. Who was trying next? Jasmine. So your solution was to plant trees in order for us to ease global warming. Alright, Jasmine, you got white? Click on the white box.
Your mom is struggling to pay your monthly bills as a student. How can you help financially?
Okay, your mom is struggling to pay your monthly bills. As a student, how can you help financially? Okay, very good. So your solution to your to the struggle of your parents is to save money, to give from your allowance, and of course you said that you will not waste money on. Okay, now all right. So last one, Glory. What is your favorite color? Okay, so you got. Okay, read please.
You want to buy a new phone, but your money is not enough. What are going to do to buy a new phone?
Okay, you want to buy a new phone but your money is not enough. What are you going to do with the situation?
Mag-ipon ako or gagawa ko ng para yung work ko after school mag-work.
Okay, very good, Dory. Again, very inspirational. So her solution to this problem is to save money and he will try to find a sideline for work. So very inspirational. So let's try the blue one. We only have two colors. Let's give it.
Tomorrow is service daylight what are you
Alright, so tomorrow is your quiz in math and you don't want to fail like the last time. So what are you going Very good. So since you already know how it feels to fail, next time or your action plan is to review the night before the quiz or have an intensive study. Okay, very good solution. And last one, Miss De Lima, click on yellow box. Okay, your classmates are discriminating the new students. For example, there is a transferee. They are bullying these transferees. As a student, as a classmate, what can you do? Okay, so you will stop and educate your classmates that what they are doing is wrong. And of course, she said that she will befriend with the new student. So very good solution. So there we go. What you did was to provide solutions to this problem that we commonly face every day. Very good. So right now, let us have our next carnival activity. So this will be called circus entertainment. So this will be a group activity. Okay. Can someone please read our instruction?
Group into two. Group 1, through the role-playing make of scenario where you provide a solution in moral meaning. Group 2, through an action you provide a performance where you solve a social issue.
Alright, so this will be group 1 and this will be group 2. So let me go ahead and provide you the criteria at which you will be graded. Okay? So for your content, this is going to be 10 points. For your delivery, this is going to be 10 points as well, and last creativity. So a total of 30 points. So let me go ahead and provide you the rubrics that you have to keep in mind. So I will give you 5 minutes to brainstorm of your solution to moral and social issues. Okay, so you may now go to your group, form a circle. Entertain us with your wit and brevity. Would you like to start? I will give you 5 minutes to plan and 3 minutes to talk.
Wala
If ever you're not done, we'll give you a grace period, okay? You still have a lot of time. Last 40 seconds. Do you need extra time? Okay, so I'll give you another 2 minutes. Last 1 minute and 38 seconds. Okay, so I hope everyone is now finishing their performance. Because our time left is 1 minute and 37 seconds. Okay, group 1, are you ready? Last 30 seconds. Can you raise your chairs again? Again, be mindful of our criteria because this is how we're going to be, how you're going to be graded. Okay? Group 1 ready? Okay, so let me just move this. Alright. And now, this afternoon, we will witness the performance from Group 1 who will provide a solution to a moral issue. So let us give it up for Group 1. Clap your hands, everybody. C. So you can first have your greeting. Oh, don't be shy.
Good afternoon.
everyone. We are Group 1.
And what problem are you going to present?
We're going to present about moral issues.
About?
About cheating.
Okay, about cheating. Very, very controversial. Okay, proceed.
Hey darling, we're going to learn about behavior.
Let's take it there.
Take two. Please, Facebook. Do not, make your classmates if you are performing, okay?
Hey darling, we're going to learn.
Okay, be careful.
Hey people, do you have numbers?
Stop flirting with me.
Why?
I have a girlfriend.
Hey, why are you flirting with me? I'm not landing your asawa. Don't you have to know that you're a happy family? No, she's mine. She's mine. She's mine.
May part na tayo sila. Pero ano sa
Stop acting ano, para wala kang jowa. Save your dignity. Yeah.
Okay, so let's give it up for group 1. Alright, so from where I was standing, from my point of view, I believe that is adultery. So your solution was? Your solution was to ignore the girl who is trying to flirt with the husband. Okay? Very good. So what they did was they provided a solution to cheating or adultery. So since the husband is loyal and faithful, his solution was to educate the woman that what she is doing is wrong. It is ethically wrong. Therefore, if it ever messes with rightness or wrongness, it is what issue? Moral issue. Very good. So now, let us witness the performance of group 2. Anyway, wait. For content, I'll give you 9 points. For delivery, I'll give you 9 as well. And for creativity, let me give you 8. For a total of 26 points. Now let's hear from they are going to provide or perform a talk show that will showcase a Alright, so let's give it up for group 2. In English.
Late na nga to. Pero yung sinasabi dito ay sa multipurpose hall, parents, attend ang closing program. Ano meron? Yung sa closing program, mga parents ang pinapasabihan na. Sino daw? Parents. Wala naman
Walang assignment sa award.
I want to have because I see that
Meron, nationalistic, closing prayer ako.
because I came from
Closing ako.
poor background. I want to help
Yung mga
others
awarding, alam ko
who
sa
are
Awarding
needy and
of winners,
give them a good time.
MPs.
Ay, ma'am.
Hindi ba kami rin may certificate?
Okay.
Naiintindihan na sila.
Alright, so let's bring it down for group 2.
Punta nila ako.
Okay, so Alright, anyway, Miss Glory, can you explain or will you further explain your performance?
Sabihin wala na kayo sa inyo.
So what was the problem in your scenario?
Hindi ganito nga tayo. Kaya talaga nag-continue.
May ano po kasi mga
Pupunta na lang ako.
job sa mga mahirap.
Okay.
Then, yung answer na lang yung as a mayor, kaya ako sabi ko kay mayor, kaya ako nag-aaral ng job aware sa ano. Kasi nakikita ko yung buhay na meron kami dati. So, as a mayor, tutulungan ko sila kasi galing kami sa mahirap na buhay. Kumbaga, sa pag-alok ng job aware, dun ko may bibigay tulong sa kanila.
Okay, so your issue or problem here is unemployment, and the solution that you provided is to have, or the mayor provided was to present a, or the program is to have a job there, so that will help people who have no, very good. So for content, I will give you 9 points as well. Delivery, I'll give you 8. And for creativity, I will give you 8. 16 plus 9. 16 plus 9. 25. So your group 1 got 26 and group 2 got 25. Clap your hands for yourself. What you did is to provide solutions to these problems we commonly face here on this world. So with that being done, let us have this test. You can determine these. Alright, so get one and fast. Get one and fast. I will give you 3 minutes to answer those questions. Actually, these are not questions. Okay, so magic time, all you have to do is to determine what type of problem or there is a situation. Alright, I will give you 3 minutes. Those are only after 5. Are you done?
Yeah.
Anyone else writing? Who's not done yet? Raise your hand. Okay, so I'll give you another minute. Who's still writing? another last 20 seconds. What number are you? You're still answering the sequence. Raise your hand. Everybody done? Okay, exchange papers. Let us answer number 1. Okay, Miss, can you please read number 1? Okay, procedure to end pregnancy. What issue is this? Letter E, abortion. Wait, do you think that is the answer? Okay, abortion. Very good. That is the procedure to end pregnancy. So, number 2. What's to read? Okay, Marshall is living in the slum. So if someone is living in the slum, they may be living in poverty line or they may be. What is the answer? Do you think that's the answer? Do you agree that that's the answer? If someone is living in the slum, what do they call this? Slum is poverty. So they may be poor. They are living in squatter area. Squatter area. Slum. Okay, so our answer here is letter D, poverty. Number 3. Okay, Lily is 16 when she got pregnant. Our answer is D, teenage pregnancy. Number 4. Okay, thinning of the ozone layer. Global warming. Our ozone layer is depleted. Very good. Global warming. Last one. U. Mercy killing. What do we mean when we say mercy? Letter C. Use that. Very good. Okay, so who got 5? 4. 3. 2. Okay, so pass the papers. Alright, so you were able to determine the problem or the issue from this situation. So why do you think it is important for us to provide solutions to these kinds of issues or problems? Do you think it is important to provide solutions to problems? Yes? You agree? Why? Yes. Okay, very good. To make the situation better, or if ever we come across to those problems again, we know how to deal with it this time. Okay? And that is important on why we should find or know the solution, the perfect solution to the problem. And I want you to reflect on this passage. Every problem has a solution as long as someone is willing, as long as someone has the initiative to do the work. Okay? So if there is a problem on your personal life, again, apply or know the problem first. Next one is plan for the perfect solution. And of course, you have to act. So that the problem will walk out the door, the problem will be executed. Okay, so did you learn a thing or two on this afternoon?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Alright, for your homework, you can take a picture of the homework. All you have to do is search for 4 examples of social and moral issues and provide your best solution for the problem. Okay, so that is it for today. Goodbye. Night Earth class. Alright, thank you for coming to the coordinator. Papaka-collect bibigay yung pagkain. Tapos, magkakagalan. Then, mamaya. Anong una? Blue? Blue tsaka style. Sige, sige. Wala sila.